Having a signature look does not mean you have to put yourself in a box. It does not mean you have to fit a certain aesthetic and be like, I'm a clean girl. It means that you are building a foundation for yourself. I talk with my hands a lot, so y'all are gonna see me just woo woo, and y'all gonna just hear clanking. Sorry about that. That's just me. But first, let's get into what a signature look actually means. A signature look is a distinctive, consistent personal style, whether that's clothing, makeup, accessories, shoes. The biggest mistake, in my opinion, that people seem to run into when it comes to like a signature look is thinking it's about aesthetics or labels. When it's like you don't have to fit a certain aesthetic or come up with a name for it, just like action it by wearing what you want, kind of like knowing what you like, and then just going from there. So for step number 1, start observing. Your signature style really already exists. It's just about noticing it or making sure that you're really studying it, because if you're watching this video and you're kind of like, dang, like what is my signature style? Girl, you don't know, and you're just like me, we was in the same boat. And it's like I didn't know, but I knew, but I just wasn't paying attention. If somebody asked me what's my signature style or like what's things I like, I'm like, girl, like everything I like, I just would try everything. The first thing I did was pause on shopping, start observing myself more. It'll get to a point where like you're buying a whole bunch of stuff, especially if you thrift like me. You literally would just be buying a whole bunch of stuff just to kind of get like a dopamine hit, if it makes sense. Because like you're in the store and you're just like, yeah, I found this, and then like once you try it on, it's like, yeah, it's cute, but it's not for you. And I feel like I would run into those issues a lot. So it's like not about what pictures you've taken that has did well online or Instagram or TikTok and got a whole bunch of likes. It's not about what's trendy, it's about what looks good on you. Okay, so step number 2, dress for your body type. I feel like this is a huge one because everything that you see on somebody else that you think is cute will not look the same on you, especially if y'all don't have the same body type. So step number 3, find your signature colors. Seen somebody go to, I think it was like Home Depot, and like the paint aisle, and she had like somebody record her like kind of like walking through all the colors, and the ones that made her brighter were the ones that like were her colors. That's just an example, because I know you can go to the chair as well, like go to a certain person and they'll like put the whole thing around your neck and show you the colors. You can do that as well. It's all about what really just brightens you up, makes you glow. Okay, step number 4, create a simple outfit formula. I would do like a crop shirt, and then I would do like low-rise pants. That is me. And then like as far as shoes, I would do like pointed toe heels. But do you see how I kind of like broke it down? So from the top is always going to be something that's crop. From the bottom is always going to be something that's low rise. And then for the shoes, it's always going to be like either closed-toe pointed heels or like some cool colorful sneakers. Step number 5, use accessories as signature pieces. So I would say accessories that really sealed the deal for me were scarves. If my hair ain't looking right, if the leave out is left out, a scarf is getting put on. That's the cheat code. It's literally a cheat code. Like I feel like a really cute scarf, not no scarf where it's like, oh, we going to bed type of scarf. No, get you a cute, either you go cheap. Like I would go cheap. I would say get you a cute, cheap beauty supply scarf. They have the cutest scarves, honestly. They're colorful, or if you don't like color, get you something that's not really color. But get you a little scarf. I feel like it's very versatile, very feminine, very cute, and I feel like they elevate your outfit. Step number 6, let seasons shape you, not limit you. I feel like life is worth living when spring come around the corner. After them allergies hit, after the pollen is off the ground. I feel like during the wintertime, I do feel more like dull with my style, but I have found a way to adapt. And my way through doing that has been fur jackets. Baby, my fur jacket collection is getting bigger. Also like family heirlooms, I think that's how you pronounce it. Family heirlooms that you can pass down. Nieces or my daughter or daughters. Like just wearing a cute set and a fur jacket on top. So just let like your signature look evolve with seasons. Like don't just disappear. Like myself, don't just disappear and fall off the face of the earth. Step number 7, this is very important, especially for the black girls. Y'all know how we get down when it comes to our hair, but your hair is also a part of your look. So find your signature hairstyle that's affordable for you, that's easy, that you love, that you can do really well, either yourself or if you have the convenience to go to somebody else. Make sure you have the ability to upkeep whatever hairstyle that you get done. If you ever are like a type of girl to dye your hair, girl, dye your hair your skin tone or brown, chef's kiss, or whatever color goes with your vibe. Like, I've seen the ginger girls, they look really cute. The red girls look really cute. The blonde girls look really cute. Like, everybody just looks so cute when they do hair colors or even haircuts. Like a pixie cut, the pixie cut girls be looking good. Like, I wish I could do it. But do what's for you, do what makes you feel good, and that's just a part of your signature look. And I feel like within the Black community, we're more so about like switching up our hairstyles, like different buns, different bangs, different this, different that. Like, even if you do that, you can like choose a hair color and switch up your styles with your hair color, and that's gonna be so cute. Step number 8, confidence and intentionality. This is number 1. I feel like we all love to ask our moms, our best friends, or just other people opinions on our outfits or like just particular pieces. And we're like, oh, do you think this looks good? Or what do you think about this? Or which one should I choose? Or this and that. I feel like little do we know that plays a part on your confidence. You can't always ask people their opinions or let them choose, because that just shows that like you really don't know yourself. And it's just like, if you're battling between two different things, or like for my opinion, when I'm shopping and I'm like, should I get this? And it's like, I wouldn't be just sitting here considering not getting it if I actually really liked it. Like, it wouldn't even be a thought. It would be like, no, oh, I'm getting this. And that's how you have to be with everything when it comes to outfits, hairstyles, like whatever you do, period, it needs to be like, oh, yep, I'm getting that. And it shouldn't be like a second thought or having to ask people or getting their input to convince you to do something. Like, no. Do you know yourself? Do you know your plans or not? Do you? Sorry. I just finished watching Insecure for the first time and I'm a little obsessed. So all in all, that is how I found my signature look. And that's how you can too, girl. Pay attention to yourself, not trends. Learn your body, your colors, and just your little formula on how you want to dress. And in my next video, I'll help you learn how to thrift for your signature look. So that should be really fun because we get to go to the thrift store. I haven't went to the thrift store in so long though. But yeah, if this helps you kind of get more direction and figure out what you want your signature look to be or to look like, or just so you can have it in your head, make sure you like, make sure you comment and subscribe. Make sure y'all have an amazing day. Thank you for watching the video. I'm really excited to be back on YouTube. I feel like YouTube is really like, YouTube is home for me. Like, YouTube just feels really good. I just feel really good. I just feel really good on YouTube, and I feel like this is a great time for me to come back. So yes, make sure you guys have an amazing day. Stay safe. Keep God in your life. Wear something cute today. Like, summertime is right around the corner. What day is it? It's March 29th. Summertime is around the corner. We can't play no games, okay?